Hi everyone, Tracy here with Coco Con Essential Oils. Today I wanted to talk to you about 5 mood uplifting essential oils. Oils that are good for days when you're feeling blue or sad or maybe going through some grief. Just some oils that can help pick you up, give you a little boost mood-wise, and help you to feel better. Here are the 5 oils I wanted to talk about today, and then we're going to make a roll-on at the end here. But bergamot, rose grapefruit, both bergamot and rose grapefruit, and all the citrus oils are happy, uplifting, mood uplifting oils. So you could use lemon or orange or red mandarin or lime. All of them, all the citrus oils are mood uplifting oils. And bergamot is really specific for sadness and days when you're feeling blue. Another oil is ylang ylang. It's also really good for the heart health and dry skin. And then we have Cypress. Cypress is an excellent oil for mood uplifting. And then last but not least is Clary Sage. It's also a great mood uplifter. And Clary Sage is like the woman's oil. It's really, really a good oil for women in particular. So those are my 5 oil tips for mood uplifting essential oils. You can diffuse them. You can create your own combinations. You could do like 1 drop of each in a diffuser. That would be a nice blend to diffuse. We also have a happy blend, which is a blend of 6 mood uplifting oils, including the ones here, that already has kind of a synergistic blend for days when you're feeling blue or sad and just need a little mood uplifting. So that's it on the essential oils. Now we're going to move on to making a roll-on. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own roll-ons. It's really, really easy and it's fun. And then you can make your own custom blends. We're going to use all 5 of the essential oils we talked about today. And we're going to put it in a glass roll-on. So when you're making topical blends, you want to put your carrier oil, like jojoba oil, almond oil, aloe gel. All those are called carriers. You want to put them in a glass container or a PET plastic container. That's the little triangle on the plastic. It's number 2, and that plastic does not interact with essential oils, so there's no leaching of the plastic into the oils. So I always opt for glass when it's feasible and when it's practical. So the roll-on is glass. This is 1/3 of an ounce. So I have jojoba oil here and sunflower oil. I don't know if you want to zoom in for a second, Sarah. These are both light oils, so they're not going to be heavy on your skin. They'd probably be my choice of carrier for roll-ons, so that they're not real heavy on the skin. I'm going to do the jojoba oil, and these are 1 ounce sizes here that we just showed you. 1 ounce will fill 3 roll-on bottles, so it really goes a long way. And the first thing that we're going to do is put 1 drop of each of these essential oils into the glass roll-on container. So we'll start with bergamot, and we're just going to do 1 drop bergamot, 1 drop rose grapefruit. Rose grapefruit is different from regular grapefruit, and then it has, oops, hold on here. Oh, there was 2, sorry about that. Rose grapefruit's different from regular grapefruit because it has more beta carotene. Aromatically, it's really, really more potent in my experience. So I really love the rose grapefruit. Next, we're going to do cypress, just 1 drop of cypress. And 1 drop of Clary Sage. Sometimes you get a little bubble in your little dispenser where the drops come out. If you just blow it out, then it won't get stuck and it'll come right out for you. Clary Sage, our woman's oil and mood uplifting oil. And then last but not least is ylang ylang. There we go. And then to finish off, you just take your jojoba oil and just take the cap off. You might want to zoom in on this part so we can see. So we're gonna, if you touch your carrier oil bottle to the roll-on bottle, and then just fill your bottle, you're gonna fill it to the bottom of the neck. So right like that. If you fill it up into the neck, then a lot of times you'll have leakage problems. So just go to the bottom of the neck, and then you have your roll-on piece here, and these actually snap in. So I put it on the table and snap it in, and you want to look around the edge here and make sure that it's, you know, pushed all the way down again, so you don't have leakage. And then you just have your cap. And when you put the essential oils in first and then your carrier oil, it automatically mixes, so you don't have to shake it or anything. Essential oils are fat soluble, so they emulsify into carrier oils. They're not water soluble, so like if you put them in a water, you just have to shake before you use, like for room sprays, countertop sprays, that kind of thing, because the essential oils and water separate in between use, but not with carrier oils. So okay guys, I hope you learned something new and fun today, and I hope everybody's staying well. Thanks for watching.